but we don't talk anymore. But we don't talk anymore.
Hi guys, welcome yet to another episode, another week of Simply Kyla. Today I'm in the kitchen and I'm making chicken biryani. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share, and thank you for the support guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're welcome. I don't know who else does this. Do you guys like make biryani and then boil eggs on the side? Some people don't do that. Most people do that though. But everyone has their own way of making things. And then we have potatoes. The potatoes, in the potatoes there's turmeric powder. Just to like give it a little bit of flavor and a nice color. Always be careful with hot oil or you're gonna mess your face up. Make sure you're putting the potatoes very gently to avoid burning yourself up or making a big mess. So here was our spices. We have white pepper, black pepper, curry powder, garam masala, pilau masala, mixed spices. I like make my biryani with like everything, and the chicken. And guys, we have blended tomatoes here, and some tomato paste and a bit of soy sauce. Biryani, the most important thing when making biryani is either yogurt or maziwa mala. That is like fermented milk, I guess. So this is the most important ingredients in biryani. So today I'm using Greek. I tried my potatoes already. I tried one. The whole almost. Perfectly brown, and the color because of the turmeric powder. How nice is this, or how cute is this? Look at that color. Like that. So I'll get the eggs off as well. Yep. I soaked the rice prior cooking for like maybe 30 minutes before you cook it, so that it cooks fast and then it come out. What is it called? Moja. Once the oil is nicely heated, we put our tomato paste. That's messy. Oh. love cooking, but I hate hot oil. Hot oil can really mess you up. So you give the tomato paste time to get done, which I see it's nicely done. And then in we put our blended tomatoes and let them cook for a while, just a little bit of until they're nicely done. You remember me showing you the spices, and also I've mixed all the spices, and there's cinnamon stick there. The tomatoes are nicely done now. I think they're good to go. We put the spices and wait for the spices to in here. We have tomato paste that we started with, we have blended tomatoes, we have a cinnamon stick and all the spices that I showed you guys, and of course ginger and garlic. So they're nicely done. The spices, I put them like 2 minutes ago, and the smell, the aroma, not the smell, sorry. The aroma is coming out nicely. So we are putting our chicken now. Don't let it to cook completely, and then in we put our onions. The secret to like lots of onions. These are lots of onions that we had fried earlier. So after the onions, the major ingredient, which is yogurt. You can use yogurt, or you can use like fermented milk, which is maziwa mala. Whatever you choose to use, it's on you. We are making the rice. Enjoyed a lot, and I'm about to enjoy my plate. It's chicken biryani and salad. As we call it kachumbari. Guys, kindly subscribe, like and share, and join me next week for another hot episode of Simply Kyla. Thank you.